friends, this is TKD. I am here to share my 15 years of experience in data science and computer programming. So here is the course for machine machine learning using Python. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel TKD Health Tips to get the latest updates. Today this is the first video of comprehensive Python course for machine learning engineers. So first of all, install the Python using Anaconda.com distribution. So I have already installed using Python 3.7 version using Anaconda distribution, Anaconda.com distribution site. So you guys also do it very well. Go ahead and do it. Now, what in this video will what is our objective is to start the Python, connect to our home page, and create a notebook. So first of all, I have already installed the Python, and now I'm going to go to my search box, type Anaconda Python, Anaconda Prompt, and just type Jupyter Notebook. So this has opened a Jupyter Notebook for us. So our step 1 is done. Step 2 we have done, like we have typed Jupyter Notebook, and now you can see that Jupyter Notebook has appeared here. So now we can open our Python notebook. So you can see very well see in your screen, friends, that kernel has started. Python kernel has started, and you can see the Jupyter screen. Now on the left hand side, now on the drop down, I have used Python 3 as a project. Now you can see a new Jupyter notebook appear. So this is our IDE, friends. This is the integrated development environment, Jupyter environment for the Python machine learning. So congratulations, you have started your Python and created a Jupyter notebook. Thank you.